Students, in this video we will see the basic concept behind cross multiplication method. Okay, cross multiplication method के पीछे कौन सा basic concept और which basic principle is there behind cross multiplication method we will see in this video. Okay, so now let us see the basic concept behind cross multiplication method. So let us consider the pair of lines as what? A1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 be pair of straight lines. Be pair of straight lines है ना, in two variables x and y. So we have considered a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 be pair of straight lines in two variables x and y. Is that clear? Now in elimination method we have seen what key if you have to eliminate x, okay, then what we have to do, we will multiply the coefficient of x in second equation with our first equation. Similarly, in we will multiply coefficient of x in first equation with our second equation. So this is our first equation and this is our what, second equation. So what we will do, multiply इक्वेशन 1 by a2, ओके, बिकॉज 1 को हमको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द इक्वेशन 1 विथ वॉट, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x विच इज इन इक्वेशन 2. सो मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 by a2 एंड 2 by a1, okay, and 2 by a1. So let us see what we will get. So here you can see that if a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 is multiplied with a2, okay, then you will get what? You will get a1 a2x plus a2 b1y plus a2 c1 equals to 0. ये लिख सकते हैं आप, ओके, a2 a1x, ओके, और a1 a2x प्लस b1 a2 और a2 b1y plus a2 c1 और c1 a2, okay. Similarly, if you multiply a1 with your second equation, then you will get what? मैं यहाँ पे लिख दे रहा हूँ second equation. I am writing second equation here. So you will get what? a1 a2 x plus a1 b2y plus a1 c2 equals to 0. Okay, you can change the order also. You can write a2 a1 also. No problem about that. Okay. Now, if you solve these two equations, okay. Now let us solve these two equations. So if you solve these two equations, a1 a2x plus a2 b1y plus a2 c1 equals to 0 and a1 a2x plus a1 b2y plus a1 c2 equal to 0. If you solve this, then let us see what we will get. Now in order to solve this we have to change our sign, okay, हमको ये sign जो है इसका change करना पड़ेगा. So now you can see here coefficient of x is what, same है ना, coefficient of x is what, a1 a2 in both the cases. So we will change our sign. So plus a1 a2 will become minus a1 a2, okay, plus a1 b2 will become what, minus a1 b2 and plus a1 c2 will become what, minus a1 c2. Now you can cancel these two terms, okay, these two terms get cancelled. So what will be left with us, a2 b1y minus a1 b2y, okay, plus a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to 0. ये बचेगा हमारे पास, okay. This term will left with us. Now see here what I have done, a2 b1y minus a1 b2y, okay. Similarly plus a2 c1 minus a1 c2. that what I have done. Okay, now this implies you can write it as what? A2b1y minus a1b2y equals to, you can write it as what? a1c2 minus a2c1. आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. I have shifted these terms a1c2 and a2c1 from my left hand side to right hand side. Is that clear, students? So now let us see. You can take y here common. So if you are taking y common, so you will get what? a2b1 minus a1b2 y taking common is equals to a1c2 minus a2c1. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so this means what? You will get y equals to what? a1c2 minus a2c1 upon a2b1 minus a1b2. Is that clear? Is that clear? Or you can write it as what? Y equals to a1c2 minus a2c1 upon, you can now simplify it as, okay, आप इसको और कैसा लिख सकते हैं? You can write it as what? You can take minus sign common here. Okay, you can take minus sign common here. So what will be the result after taking minus sign common? a1b2 will become positive and a2b1 will become negative. Is that clear? Okay, now in order to avoid this negative sign, आप ऊपर भी माइनस साइन कॉमन ले सकते हैं. सो यू कैन गेट व्हाट? आप यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? a2c1, you can write what? a2c1 minus a1c2 upon a minus of a1b2 minus a2b1. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now again these two साइंस कैन गेट्स कैंसल्ड. तो आपके पास देखिए क्या बचता है. लेट अस सी. नाउ फाइनली यू विल गेट व्हाट? दिस इंप्लाइज y इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? नाउ सी हियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर माइनस साइन जो है वो यहाँ पे हमने क्या कर दिया है? वी हैव कैंसल्ड दिस माइनस साइन, है ना. एंड सो वी विल गेट व्हाट? a2c1 माइनस a1c2 अपॉन a1b2 माइनस a2b1 लिख सकते हैं. और यू कैन राइट इट एज व्हाट? c1a2 माइनस c2a1 अपॉन a1b2 माइनस a2b1. एंड दिस इज योर वैल्यू फॉर y. दिस इज योर वैल्यू फॉर y. बट दिस इज द वैल्यू फॉर y फॉर विच कंडीशन? इफ a1b2 माइनस a2b1 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, है ना. अगर हमारा a1b2 माइनस a2b1 अगर 0 नहीं आता है, देन ओनली दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड. वाई? बिकॉज इफ a1b2 माइनस a2b1 इज 0, दिस मीन्स वॉट? आवर डिनोमिनेटर इज 0. और अगर डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? आवर solution is what? Not defined. Is that clear? Similarly we can do it for to find the value of x also. Okay, so in order to find x, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था कि we have multiplied equation 1 by a2 and equation 2 by a1. Okay, in the same way मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर सकता हूँ? In order to find x, I can multiply second equation by b1 and multiply first equation by b2. कर सकते हैं. So let us do it. So now multiply equation 1 by, okay, equation 1 by b2 and equation 2 by b1. Now let us see what we will get. Now हमने जो equation 1 है, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, this equation we have multiplied with what? b2. Is that clear? Similarly, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, this equation we have multiplied with what? b1. Okay, same way जैसे हमने ये a2 a1 के साथ किया था in order to find y. Similarly, in order to find x, we will multiply what? Coefficient of y in equation 2 with equation 1. Similarly, coefficient of y in equation 1 with equation 2. Okay, so let us see what we will get. Now this is equals to what? this is equals to b2a1x plus b2b1y plus b2c1 equals to 0 लिख सकते हैं. In the same way I can write second equation as what, b1a2x, this is what, x. Okay, so b2a1x plus b1b2y, b1a2x plus b1b2y plus b1c2 equals to 0 लिख सकते हैं. Now solving above equations, let us see what we will get. Now see students, see it very carefully. b2a1x plus b2b1y plus b2c1 equals to 0 and b1a2x plus b1b2y plus b1c2 equals to 0. Is that clear? Now we will solve this. Now you can see here that coefficient of y is same है ना, b2 b1 और b1 b2 meanings are same. Okay, so b2 b1 को अगर आप b1 b2 भी लिखें so no problem about that. Like जैसे आप 3 into 2 और 2 into 3 लिखते हैं, so 3 2s are 6 and similarly 2 3s are also 6. So now signs are same, so you can change your sign. Okay, so minus b1 b2y, so plus b1 b2y will become what, minus b1 b2y. Similarly here also sign will change. Similarly b1 c2 will become minus b1 c2. Is that clear? Now both the terms get cancelled of y, so we will get what, b2a1x minus b1a2x plus b2c1 minus b1c2 is equals to 0. Are you getting student? I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. Simple calculations are there. Okay, so now what you can do further, जैसे हमने पिछले सम में किया था, पिछले पार्ट में किया था, we can take x common here, so it will become what, b2a1 minus b1a2 x. Okay, and here you can transpose b1c2 and b2c1 from left hand side to right hand side, so we will get what, b1c2 minus b2c1. Is that clear? So this implies x is equals to what, b1c2 minus b2c1 upon b2a1 minus b1a2. हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Or you can write it as what, this implies x is equal to what, b1c2 minus b2c1 upon b2a1 can be written as what, a1 b2 minus this can be written as a2 b1. Okay, तो मैंने in order to make these two denominators same, okay, ये first वाला जो हमने किया और second वाला, okay, so I have rearranged that. Okay, I have changed the order because changing order does not make any problem, है ना. So this is the condition for calculation of x. If and only if a1 b2 is minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0, है ना. अगर ये 0 नहीं होंगे तभी x जो है वो क्या होगा, हमारा x की ये वैल्यू आएगी. So this is the student, this is the basic concept behind, this is the only basic concept behind cross multiplication method. So how the value of x and y comes, okay, x और y की वैल्यू आती कैसे हैं, ये हमने इस वीडियो में देखा है कि how the values of x and y generally came. Is that clear to you? So now I hope you got the sum. I hope आपको ये sum easily clear हो गया होगा. Okay, concept जो है वो आपको अच्छी समझ में आ गया होगा. So in next video we will continue our concept. Okay, हम अब general algorithm देखेंगे, means we will see the result which we have derived from this basic concept. Okay, so in next video we will see the general result, okay, with the help of this basic concept. Thank you.